welcome to our home. Please come in. So what I wanted to show you is our small 860 square feet condominium that we've been living. So we'll be moving out soon, but I just wanted to show you just the living room and also the kitchen area. So please follow me. The kitchen space is very small. It's an open concept kitchen. I just want to show you my magnets. It's all my collection throughout when I flew with SQ. Really love magnets. So in the morning, Yuto and I usually use this coffee machine. So we want to try to be a barista. The next space that I want to show is our living room. It's where we spend most of our time here because we get to watch TV. At the same time, come and see. We have goldfish, I think, and also there are fish here. Fishes, and then as you can see, this is where we usually sit and spend our time. And over here at the back is where we do our workspace. All this furniture is actually we bought on our own. This video will highlight like 3 questions that I wanted to ask Yuto.
Me? Actually, I don't know what she's gonna ask.
Actually, I didn't prepare for this video, but I just thought of it just now. What was your first impression? Hajimete.
First impression of you was 最初のファーストインプレッションはこの人めっちゃ素敵だなって思った。You got it?
This person is really awesome.
まあそんな感じ。素敵ってなんだ？ワンダフル。まあワンダフルだね。
I help you translate.
No, you're translating. No, 100%but あれだ。とにかく I felt, oh, she's so wonderful. In my first sight. Yeah. Then I also felt, oh, I think I'm gonna get married with her.
Oh, really?
What about you?
My first impression of Yuto is that I thought he was a comedian.
Comedian?
Because
芸人ね。
芸人? Yeah, because his hair is naturally curly. He wore a what was it?
Cat t-shirt.
Cat t-shirt, polka dot pants, and it was in mint green. And he had a Birkenstock, which is a cow-looking pattern. Until today, I still have the impression that Yuto is very funny.
Funny, okay.
Yeah,
Not comedian.
Not comedian.
じゃあいい。
But he makes me happy, so that's very important. And second question I have, what was the difference between Japan and Singapore? I don't think in Japan you guys
確かにそうだね。
like maybe it's conscious about your outfit.
Yeah, like too much じゃない。When I visited Japan and I took a train, then I felt like, oh, everyone looks so stylish.
In Singapore?
おしゃれね、おしゃれ。おしゃれにめっちゃ見えたんです、日本。
Oh,
みんななんかおしゃれに気を使ってる感があって、もちろん気を使ってると思うんですけど、ただシンガポールは、もちろん気にしてる人もいっぱいいるけど、but basically in Singapore it's so hot and we always wear like half sleeves and half shorts and
singlet.
Yeah, and also the slippers. So it's common, and I also don't care about how I look. Like what I wear, I always use Uniqlo, and yeah, I really don't buy outfit these days. Like, I mean, it's not common to wear slippers with nice outfit. Yeah, slipper is for only summer, and also near the beach or pool or swimming pool.
Another difference is when I went to Japan, I asked Yuto, why is everyone wearing face masks? And back then it was not
COVID.
no COVID. So I was curious, like why is everyone covering their face? And apparently it's because they never put makeup, or maybe they're sick. So there are these two things.
Oh, and also some of them don't like their own face.
They don't want to show their face.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, now that I'm wearing mask, I think it's a pretty good thing, because when I don't want to smile, like you can see I'm not
いや、どっちだろう、俺。今笑ってる。
like whether I'm smiling or not. So it really hides like
確かに。
my expression. We've been living together for few years now, and how we compromise each other. How do we speak? I think mainly in English. I'm still trying. 今年日本語喋る練習毎日。
Makes sense.
What do you think of the marriage process compared to Japan and Singapore?
Oh. Of course, I've never experienced getting married in Japan before, and I've never thought of it before. Have a solemnization, and there is no solemnizer. We go to city hall and we write do the paperwork for the marriage. Then I think it's done. Of course, we need maybe some birth certificate or something like this, but no, there is no ceremony for it. You guys are officially married. Done. Wedding になったら for the wedding, of course there is a old Japanese style. Like we wear, the guys wear hakama, ladies wear kimono, and some of them want to wear the wataboshi, which is like white egg looking, so it's nice though. そうそれもあるし、あとは there is like do it in the church, like not in a old temple, or like kinda looks like Christian wedding.
Honestly, I'm not too familiar with the process in Malaysia, so almost similar. We need to get the registration done in you can do it at the temple. I'm not sure of the exact name. And then you get those papers signed, then you're officially married. The tea ceremony, I did see my cousins getting married and going through the process. At the same time, we will also share our solemnization link for you to join. So keep a lookout, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.